In this video, I'm going to give you an answer for a question. The question is what activist group physically attack factories and machines. Now I'll give you the answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is Liu Dietz. So that's the answer for the question, Liu Dietz. That's the answer.
Hi, this is a very beautiful day. Let me introduce you my friend. He is very kind, sweet and nice. So, this is Billy. Billy gives a thumb up every time Billy sees nice, sweet, kind, useful video. He will leave a thumb up or he likes a button. Every time he saw a like button for useful video, good video, will do the thumb up. And then Billy does comment kindly. Billy knows that there are so many children on the internet seek looking for some useful information, and he knows that every time he wants to comment, he will do it kindly because he don't want to use bad words, so the kids don't have to see the bad words that was made from him. And then Billy shares good information. Every time Billy sees useful information, he'll share it to a friend, maybe that will be useful for them. So it's very simple, just share the video, right? It's very simple though. And then Billy subscribed to some useful channels. I can say that this is a very good thing to do. For an instant, I can say that this channel is quite good. Billy is nice though. He's a very intelligent person. And then overall, I can say that this is smart. So, be like Billy. Yeah, this is my friend, Billy. Sweet, nice, smart, and kind person. Be like Billy.
Hi. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now I want to tell you something. This is very important information part of this video, okay? What I want to tell you about is if you think this video is very useful, if you think this video, if you like this video, you can help this channel to grow by simply subscribing this channel. What you can do is just click this with red subscribe button that has a YouTube icon in it. You can do that to help us to grow. And if you think this video is a good one, or you like this video like a lot, or you just like it a bit, it doesn't matter, you can click this one, like button, to like this video. And if you think this video is not really cool, not really awesome, or you just don't like this video a lot, you can just go ahead, click dislike button, this one. And of course, if you want to share this video with your friend, you can just go ahead, click this share button. You can share this video to any social media that you like Facebook, and share it to WhatsApp as well, to Telegram, to VK, to LinkedIn, to Twitter, and many other social media that most of people use at this time. And if you want to watch this video later, or you want to watch this again, you can click this one to add this video to playlist, and you can play it later, play it again. This is awesome. And this one, these three dots, I have no idea what this is about. Maybe there's some sort of features that I don't really know. You can try it, and maybe there's more features that you can use to deal with this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.